Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Hangouts to instant message, video chat, or even call your students and parents. So after you download it in Google Chrome, it should appear in your extensions and add-ons up at the top bar. Go ahead and click on it and it's going to open up the Google Hangouts Hub. Now it's going to look something like this. Here I'm having a conversation with somebody, and on the left hand side any previous conversations you have had are going to be stored right there in your history, very much like text messages. So when you want to start a new conversation with a student or a parent or a colleague, you're going to go to the upper left hand side where it says new conversation. You're going to click on the plus sign. When that happens, you're going to have a bunch of email addresses from people that you've contacted before show up. You could add a new group full of people, or you can enter in a name, email, or phone number. Now, entering in the name is primarily if you're searching for somebody that's within your organization, has the same domain as you. So for Calvary Christian School teachers, if you start typing in somebody's name, like if you type in my name, Michael Krauser, you're going to see that it does come out. Now, for me, Michael Krauser does come up, even though it's recognizing it as me. This is my personal account that's coming up instead. But whenever you type in a name, you will start seeing that person's email address come up, just like in any other Google program, including email. You could also type in a specific email. So if you have a parent's email or a student's email, you could just start typing that in, like example@example.com, whatever it is, and then you could click to invite them to Hangouts. Now, they do need to be a part of Hangouts in order to accept your invitation and start chatting with you. For students, though, they already have a Google account through us, and same thing with our colleagues. Parents may not, but if they're in the same domain as you, this is why this is a great program to use. You could also call a specific phone number from here, so you can type in a number and then hit the call sign, right? So once you start a chat with somebody, it'll end up looking like this. You'll have just a streamline of texts that you can send back and forth. But if you want to start a video chat, you're going to go to the upper right hand corner and you're going to see a little video button. You go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring up your camera. It's going to bring up your microphone. It might ask you for permission first, and then you click OK, and you will start calling the other person immediately. So I'm not going to do that here because it will start calling this student right away. Now, if you want to call them some other way, there are other options as well. You just have to pick whatever is good for you. So that is how you use Google Hangouts. Just simply, you open up the program, you can start typing to students or colleagues, and you can also just click one button in order to start video chatting.